Open EX will finally be listing on the 15th of October. And a lot of you guys are still facing issues while trying to access your OEX app. So I know you're trying to view your balance and then the app keeps freezing, while others are not even able to access the app at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you the simple resolution to that issue so that your app will be back to normal. Now, stick with me and let's get into it. This listing is still more like a surprise because in the past, OEX have been disappointing us, fixing listing date and then shifting here and there. Even this listing that they say they are going to be doing tomorrow, I'm still thinking they are going to be postponing it because up till now, no exchange has come out to say they are going to be listing their token aside from Mexc Exchange that just did that announcement in the early hours of today. So if you can go to their Twitter handle now, you can see this message is early, about 7 hours ago. So aside that, no other exchange has come out to say they are going to be listing Open EX. Some days ago, a rumor was going out that BitGet will be listing, but after we did confirmation, we realized that it was a scam or it was an untrue information. So as for now, only Mexc Exchange will be listing it. And if you go to your Mexc Exchange right now, go to the wallet section, try to deposit, and then you search for OEX. You realize that deposits is now open on Mexc Exchange. So you can copy this your address simply, and maybe when you receive your tokens on MetaMask or OEX, you can transfer it to Mexc Exchange and trade whatever. But as of now, only Mexc Exchange will be listing. So maybe towards the evening or later on, there are going to be more exchange that will be listing it, are going to come out to do the announcement. But as of now, only Mexc Exchange will be listing it. Now, for those of you facing issues with your OEX app, the first thing I want you to do is to copy your seed phrase. For those of you that did not import your MetaMask to OEX, those of you that went and created an account on OEX directly, I want you to copy your OEX seed phrase and then you're going to import on MetaMask. There's a reason for that. Let me show you how to do it. So once you open up your OEX app, the first thing you want to do is to go to your settings here, and this is your backup section. You click to open it. This is your seed phrase. You copy it and then you go to your MetaMask and import. Let me show you the simple steps to do that. So once you import your OEX seed phrase into your MetaMask, to know that you've done this successfully, you check this your address. Look at this my address here, starting with OXAC90. So you go and compare it with your OEX app, the address in your OEX app, to see if it is the same thing. And as you can see, it's the same thing. So it's done successfully. Now the next thing you want to do is to import your Open EX. Look at my Open EX displaying boldly on my screen here, and the balance is 0. So don't mind this message that is saying unable to find conversion rate. It does not matter. It's just simply some glitches that happen in MetaMask. So if you are showing, if yours is displaying like this or you have an error message, it doesn't matter as long as you imported this to your MetaMask. So to import, you are going to need the contract address of OpenEX, and I'm going to pin it in the description box of this video. So just check the description box or you check the comment section. My comment will be number 1 there. So you see a link where you can copy the OpenEX contract address. Once you do that, you click on this import tokens and then you paste in the contract address here and you simply import. So it's pretty easy as that. Once you did your importation, you're going to see OpenEX network will be added here. Make sure you are on core network. By now you should know how to switch to core network. So it's pretty easy as that. Once you have that out of the way, don't worry, your balance is not going to be displaying here yet. No one's balance has started displaying. So once it is like this, you are now done. You've done the step 1. Now the step 2 of this video, if you open up your OpenEX app, you'll notice that once you click on this hub section and then you try to view your balance, by clicking on this OEX. As you can see, mine load, and then you notice that it freezes. So the first thing you want to do, or the first approach you want to take to resolving this issue, is update your app. And do not update from Play Store. If I should open my Play Store now and search for OEX, let's see. So if I search for OEX, you can see it is updated here. and it's just telling me to open. So you are not updating from this page. You are going to be updating from, I think, their GitHub server or whatever. But the link is still going to be in the description box and the comment section of this video. So once you copy the link, you go into your browser and then open it up. And remember, this is just the first approach to resolving this issue. It is not what is going to solve it totally. But for some of you, after doing your update, it will work normal. And for others, it will still not work normal. But then, this is the first thing to do. You open up the link, and on this page, don't download from Play Store. Click on this download from GitHub. So you are going to be downloading from this GitHub. And currently, you might face some issue. If you try to open this link, sometimes it will not work. Like as I'm doing in this video, it is not opening up for some reason. I don't know why, but then it seems this OEX is having a lot of glitches. But if it opens for you, you're going to download the latest version of OEX. And let me show you, this is the current version of the latest version of the OEX. So once you open up your OEX app, let me load this up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and refresh. So this is it. You go to your settings, and this is the current version. The version must be 1.022 or above. Maybe as at the time you're watching this video, they might have released an updated version, but then it should be either be this version or above. And for me, as you can see, I'm still on this their current or their latest version, and it's still not working for me. If I should click on this hub and click on OEX to view my balance, you can see it is still freezing. Why? So for some of you, it is going to work. So if you updated and you are still facing this issue, the next and only thing you can do for now is to pick this their Gmail address. And to get their Gmail address, you can get it. Look at it on my channel here. If you are in my Telegram channel, I'm going to leave a link in the description box or the comment section of this video so you can pick this their Gmail. Now, this is their Gmail address here. You copy it and then you go to your Gmail app. You are going to send them a message explaining the issue. And it's pretty easy. You don't need to write a long text. Just put that you try to access your app, you try to view your balance, and then the app keeps freezing. That is simply what you have to do, and this is from them. They're the one that asked us to do this. So it's a simple thing. Once you email them, the next step you want to take again is to write the same issue on their Twitter handle. So you come, you look for their Twitter channel. Let me look for it. This is their X handle. Okay. So you look for this their X handle, and then you're going to be searching for their official channel or their official account. Let me search for OEX. Then you click on the search button. Make sure it is the one that is verified. Okay, not here. Let me go and do the search again. So this is where you're searching, and then you search for Open EX. So you see, this is Open EX, and look at their verification badge, blue. So once you open it, you can, under any post or as much post as possible, you can type the same message under this their first post, type the same message under this their second post, and like that, it will finally get to them, and then hopefully they will be able to resolve the issues. But then more details will still going to be coming before tomorrow or before they are listing. So let's keep our fingers crossed and watch what happens next. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel, turn on the bell icon, and check the link in the description box to join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel for more updates.